Okay, they say today is a good day to open the hive because it's about 80 degrees, and when it's warm and sunny, that means more of the bees are going to be out collecting pollen and doing their thing. Oops, some earwigs are in there. A lot of bees are definitely out doing their thing in front of the hive right now. I can see in the top section here, there's honeycomb up through these first few, but not through the rest. So the main purpose of checking today was to see if we needed to add another layer, but since there's not a lot of activity, I think the choice will be to not add a new layer. Well, let's see what we got here. So you can see a lot of activity going on over here, but then on this side, not so much. It's just kind of empty down there. A lot of bees flying in and out today.